today's recipe is trifle pudding. This is a very easy recipe. Here I've got around 500 grams of pound cake. I've got a recipe of cake that's pineapple upside down cake on my channel. I'll post the link below. So here I'm using 500 grams of pound cake. I will be using a can of fruit cocktail. This is around 796 ml. If you have fresh fruits, you most certainly can use that, but I just want to do a quick recipe. That's why I'm using canned fruit today. And from the very can, I've also separated the juice from it, and here I've used jelly as well. This is around 2 cups of jelly. We also need a tub of ice cream. You can use vanilla ice cream, strawberry ice cream, any ice cream of your choice. This trifle pudding recipe, I will be using mango jelly. You can use any flavor jelly of your choice, and this weighs around 80 grams. I'm following the instructions mentioned on the package of my jelly, and it calls for 2 cups of boiling water, which is around 400 ml of boiling water. So now my water has come to a boil. I'll just turn the stove off and I'll add the jelly crystals to it and immediately start whisking it, or you can stir it till the crystals dissolve in the water. Jelly crystals have dissolved well in this hot water. Now I will just wait for this jelly to come to room temperature. So once this is cooled down, I'll place it in my bowl. I will let it sit in the fridge for a minimum of 4 hours or 6 hours, depending on how quick this sets, after which I will use this for my recipe. Let's start doing our first layer for this trifle pudding. Make sure to spread the cake evenly in the dish, making sure there are no gaps. So first I'll just spread the pieces around, and where there are gaps, I'll just cut a small piece of cake and cover that gap up. Make sure your hands are clean, like mine. And I will be using the jelly at the very end, and that's after I spread the layer of ice cream over this trifle pudding. So now I'll just take some fruit juice. This fruit juice makes the cake moist. We'll add a layer of fruits, and we'll add one more layer of the sponge cake. Now that I've spread a layer of sponge cake, I will be adding some fruit juice. Finally, I will be adding the fruits. I will add the ice cream towards the end when I'm about to serve. Now if you want to serve this just before the party, this is where you stop preparing this dish. I will cover this with cling film, and then when I'm about to serve it for my party, I'll remove the cling film or plastic wrap. I'll spread a layer of ice cream over this, and then a layer of this prepared jelly. Next layer comes the ice cream, so I'll just start scooping vanilla ice cream. It's soft serve. Next I'll use this jelly. Trifle pudding is ready to serve. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Please click on the bell icon for notification of my latest videos, and thank you for watching. Enjoy!